new story. So the next one is music. We can choose a song here. You can kind of see me in the background. Interesting. So a good song right now would be that I'm really loving is This Is Me from The Greatest Showman. I don't want to play it. I know that's a good song. Okay, so you have different options here that you can put along with it. Ooh. So you can just have a lot of fun playing with this one. I'm not going to actually do it because it would be copyrighted to play someone else's music on YouTube. So you can kind of see it gives funny effects. So you could definitely add that song to your video, not to your Instagram story. You could go live. We won't go over that right now, but if you want to see how to go live on Instagram and the different features you have when you do go live on Instagram, let me know. This is just a normal story. So here I can either take a photo of me and go with I brought my sunglasses on purpose. The sun is going down because it is 9:38 p.m. in Alaska, but I have a purpose for them. So in a second, take a photo. There we go. Just super, super simple. It's really dark, but we're going to work with it. We're going to add a sticker. So I want the sun. Let's use this guy. And let's choose another sticker. Let's exit out of that. Go back. And it is currently 46 degrees. Which I did wear shorts today. I did say I was in Alaska, but it was nice to be over 30. So that's another way we can do a story. Let's do text. So we'll say hashtag Alaska. And you can see here it's giving you different options or suggestions for Alaska adventures. Alaska. Let's just do hashtag Alaska. And let's get rid of the degrees. Oops. So hashtag Alaska. Let's do another text saying hashtag heat wave. Actually, I think I want the degrees back. So hashtag Alaska, hashtag heat wave, and let's go back to our stickers and get that temperature again. Instagram does take the temperature where you are, and it automatically does that. Okay, and I can change the color of the text if I wanted to, but we're not going to worry about that now. So an Alaska heat wave. I think that's kind of funny. 46 degrees. Some people might not think so, but that's kind of how I felt today. Like I said, I was wearing shorts. So we're going to add this to our story. So now when I click on the story, let's go back to the beginning. You're going to see this one about learning Instagram on your YouTube channel, then the Alaska heat wave. I think that's really cool.
Click the link in the description box to get access to the free Instagram highlight cover Sunday, where you get access to 16 gorgeous shades to use for your Instagram stories. You are going to love them. People pay money for this, but I said, no, I'm going to make it for you for free. So click the link in the description box below and get access to the free set that I've created for you.